So hey there guys and good day. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a collapsible product description in the Dawn theme on Shopify. So this feature is great if you want to keep your product pages clean and easy to navigate while still providing customers with all the information they need. So the first things first is you need to go to the website shopify.com, and then you will see here where you can log in. Make sure that you have an account. Okay, in order to proceed, just click this login sign. Okay, and then right after you log in, you will be directed to the home page of the Shopify, and you will see here the dashboard. And then this side, the left side, you will see here the some parts of the Shopify, the home, the orders, the products. Then you will see here the customers, the content, and the sales channel, of course. And then just click this one. You will click the online store. And then you will see here the theme. And then right here, you will see the Dawn theme. Then before that one, guys, let's take a moment to visit our store and have a look at the product's description. Okay, just tap this one, guys, to view your store, and let's check this out together. Okay, let's choose a product. For example, this one, and then let's scroll down a bit. And then see, guys, the description is really long, right? It takes up a lot of space and can be overwhelming. And now, think about it from the customer's perspective. When they come across such a lengthy description, they might feel tired just looking at it. And then instead of reading through everything, they may lose interest, and this could even cause them to leave without making a purchase. Long descriptions, while important, can sometimes have the opposite effect if not presented in a user-friendly way. And for that, guys, I'll be showing you how to make a collapsible description. So the first step, guys, is we are going to return to this section where you will find the Dawn theme. Here, guys, and then you will notice the three dots, guys, and all you need to do is to click on those, and once you've done that, you will want to look for the option called duplicate. Especially for those who might not be confident with the changes they're about to make, by duplicating the theme, you're essentially creating a backup. In that way, if you're not happy with a new customization, or if anything goes wrong, you still have the original version of your theme saved, and you can easily switch back to it. Keep in mind, guys, the duplication process can take a bit of time. So just be patient while it loads. It will be worth it because you will have a peace of mind knowing that your old theme is safe and sound. Alright, guys, now that we've duplicated the theme, let's move on and then click on those three dots again. And then this time choose edit code. This will take you to the edit your themes file section. Okay. You will see this one, I will access. Okay, over on this side, you will see a long list of files. Right here, guys. And then to make things easier, use the search bar. Let's use the search bar and type in main-product. Okay, this will help you quickly locate the file you need. Here, guys, here it is. Once you find the main product liquid, go ahead and open it. Scroll down a bit to find a section where we'll be adding the collapsible description code. Also note that here you can see recent changes you've made. For example, if you made an edit 8 minutes ago and you want to revert to the original version, you can do from this section. Okay, guys. And if you're on a Mac, you can press Command plus F. And if you're a Windows user, just press Ctrl plus F. And this will bring up a search bar on your screen. And I don't mean that, guys. You need to press this one. Hold on, not this one, guys. This will bring up a search bar on your screen. Just like this, you will see a field label find. And that's where you will type in description. Don't worry, guys, I will put here what you will type. And then click next. And it will highlight the section where the description is located. Okay, for a while, guys. And then here, you can see it here. Once you found it, you will need to look for the HTML tags surrounding that description. Specifically, guys, you're looking for a section with div, this one. Then you will need to copy this part of the code and then delete it from the file. And after doing this, the code you copy should no longer be in the file. Okay. And after this one, just delete it first. Okay, right here, guys. After this one, you'll need to visit a link, paste bin, which I will provide in the description box below. So don't worry about this one, guys. And then after that one, okay, here, click the link. You should be on this link. And then copy the entire code from the first line to the next line. To the last line. Here it is, guys. And then after copying the code, go back to this one and then paste the copied code into the appropriate section. Then make sure, guys, to please remove any existing code that might cause errors. Just like me before, I tried leaving it in before this one and it resulted in error. So it's really important to delete it, guys. And once you're done, just click this one, save, and wait a moment for the changes to be saved. As you should see a notification saying asset saved, that one. And now you can refresh your store and check your product page. And then you should now see that the collapsible description feature is working as intended. And let's try this one. Okay, guys, it's now working. This allows customers to expand or collapse the product description according to their preference, making the page cleaner and more user-friendly, guys. You can also check it out now, guys. Okay, and that's it for this tutorial, guys. I hope you have successfully added a collapsible product description to your Shopify Dawn theme.